Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the Bejpara Indicator. Okay, it's actually a tool that gives you insight into the trend and momentum that is prevailing at the time for the particular asset that you want to trade. So let's just look at how the indicator works and understand how to make use of this indicator. Right, so now the indicator shows you some important information. All right, you can see that the indicator shows you some important zones on the chart. Okay, but I'm going to recommend using this indicator alongside price action patterns. All right, pay attention to patterns that is going to give you additional confirmation. Now if you look down here, you will notice that there is an indicator window where the indicator line also shows you potential trend, the potential trend that is prevailing at the time. Okay, so when you notice that the line, the greenish and yellowish line above the red line, it can show you that the bulls are in charge. Okay, and then when you notice that the line drops down to the red line, all right, if you are in a buy trade, you might want to exit. Okay, or you might want to break even, of course, or trail your stop in case of if the momentum is about to reverse. And then here we can see information about the asset that you're trading. You can see prices and the buy and sell with spread, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you're getting information about your current market price, and then at the same time you are getting information about the prevailing momentum and some important points to look out for on your chart. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and then don't forget to turn on your notifications and share this video with anyone who you feel is going to find it insightful. There are many indicators on this channel to learn from. Okay, many videos about different indicators on this channel to learn from. All right, whether you want free indicators or otherwise, you can find something valuable to add to your trading toolkit in this channel. Okay, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.